Etach charana sampano bhaktiman purushottame punati sarvabhuvanam vriddhi stenachitena sa. Such a surrendered soul filled with devotion for the Supreme Personality of Godhead and carrying the infallible Lord in his heart purifies all the worlds. So this is the Prabhav, a Sharanagata Vaishnava Prabhav, the effect, the influence of such a personality. So, Punati Sarvabhuvanam. Punati, like we say, Punya. Punati means to purify. Sarvabhuvanam, all the planets. Vriddhistain Achyutenasa, because standing in his heart, Achyuta, the infallible Lord, the infallible, ever dependable Lord is taking shelter in his heart. So this is such a surrendered soul. Bhaktiman Purushottame. He is etach charana sampano Bhaktiman Purushottame. He's filled, sampano, he's filled with devotion for Purushottam Sri Krishna. And he is so powerful, the effect of a surrendered soul, he can purify all the worlds.